Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files, select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And it will download done. And right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder. Make this left on right side. You just need to navigate to the game folder. I saved in C drive. Here it is. After you are in the game folder, you just need to open the content folder and scripts folder. Just drag and drop these files to this folder and select the replace the file in the destination. Then just close tab here and join the mod guys. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.